In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a Klaviyo flow. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. When you want to pause an automated email flow in Klaviyo, it's a pretty straightforward process. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu. You should see an option labeled Flows. Go ahead and click on that, and this will take you to your automated email funnels. Now that you're in the Flows section, you'll see a list of all your existing flows. It's important to find the specific flow you want to pause. Look through the list and locate the exact email flow you wish to manage. Once you've found it, simply click on its name. This will open up the Visual Flow Builder, which is where all the magic happens. With the Flow Builder open, you'll notice a variety of options available to you. Up in the top right-hand corner of the Flow Builder canvas, there is a button labeled Update Status. This button is your next stop. Go ahead and click on that. After you click Update Status, you'll get a drop-down menu with different options. Among those, you'll find a setting to pause the flow. Select the preferred pause option from this menu. Once you've done that, make sure to finalize the change by clicking Update Status, or sometimes it might just say Save, depending on your interface. And that's really all there is to it. It's quite simple. If you ever need to resume the flow, you would follow the same steps and choose the option to activate or resume instead. To recap, the process of pausing a Klaviyo flow involves logging in, navigating to the Flows section, selecting the specific flow you want to pause, clicking on Update Status, choosing your pause setting, and saving your changes. It's a quick task that can really help you manage your email marketing campaigns effectively. Now, you might be wondering why you would want to pause a flow in the first place. Well, there are several reasons. Perhaps you're running a seasonal campaign and you want to pause certain flows while you develop new strategies. Or maybe you're noticing some underperformance and want to reassess your approach without completely shutting down all your automated communications. Whatever your reason, knowing how to pause a flow in Klaviyo is an essential skill to have. So there you have it, a detailed guide on how to pause a Klaviyo flow. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and tips like this. Thank you for tuning in, and happy marketing!